Okay, hello! So basically, I'm gonna upgrade my computer and check out the specs. And with my beautiful driver over here, look at my driver.
Hi. Hello.
He's my dad, but you know, it's okay, he's my driver. Okay, we back. I can't switch the camera, so I'm gonna switch the camera now. Hold up. Yes, back to what I was saying. We back. So what I got for myself is a Trident Z RGB. So 8 gigabytes on each RAM, so it's 16. And I'm gonna add it to that, which is 16 as well. So it's gonna be 32 gigabytes all in all. And I got myself an SSD, which is like an M.2 drive. T, it's your boy. And I got it for 2 terabytes. It's Intel, which is really good. Then, to finally fix my stupid mouse mat, because I hate that mouse mat, I'm gonna get myself this MSI large boy. And we're gonna fix this entire setup. We're gonna rearrange everything. We're gonna make it look good. So, I'll be showing you how I do it. Be right back. Yeah, actually, we need to move our PC in there. So, I'll do that right now. Be right back. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is add the RAM and then we're gonna add the M.2 drive. But I laid down my PC to put everything in it. So the first thing we're gonna do is unbox the RAM sticks, which is over here. And it's kind of hard to remove, huh? Yes, easy. Then, I'm gonna take out the RAM stick from it. We'll set it aside for now. And then we're gonna unlock and remove everything out of my PC. So, come here, I'll show you. So, what we're gonna do, basically put these 2 RAM sticks in between those 2. And then we're gonna put the M.2 drive over here in this tiny area. And that's basically what we're gonna do. And now we're gonna fast forward the video of me installing them. So, after some struggling with the RAM sticks, we finally got all 4 in, also. And then, now we're gonna put the M.2 drive, which is a very tiny component, as you can see. Then, once we enter it all together, from here, we're gonna put it all together and it'll be good. See you in a bit. Okay, so the final step is to install the stupid M.2 drive, which is all the way over here. If I land this perfectly, this will be amazing, but you know, I'm gonna keep struggling until I landed it. I'm not sure that you're supposed to keep it like that, by the way, it's supposed to be flat. But it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, we don't mind it. We don't mind it. Shh, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. So basically, I was struggling with the RAM and the M.2 because I don't have a stupid screw. PC building with your boy. Haha, custom PC is not fun. But it's good. But it's not fun. And I just realized that my fans are dirty. Yeah, I need to clean up the fans, and once that fans are done, I'll reinstall that boy over there. See you right there, boy. Be right back. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna try and put is the MSI gaming mouse. Wow, look at that. I'm trying to put the thing back. MSI gaming mouse, and we need to remove all of this. Nice. We're gonna fix the camera position and we're gonna change everything. And we're gonna do the unveiling. Hold up. Look at this. Bang, boy. Yes, it's pretty huge. Look at that. Anyways, we're gonna fast forward this clip of me fixing things. Hold up. Well, I have the Wi-Fi now, and also I just realized I'm gonna clean up. So I'm gonna fast forward this bit. So yeah, so you get to see me move it. So basically, I cleared out my entire thing, and my God, was it really frustrating removing half the things. Now it's time to clean up. So be right back. Again, I'll actually skip and make sure that you guys see how the before and after. So, bam, yeah. Now it's gonna change in a click. So basically, that's the RAM sticks over there. Look at that. Those are the RAM sticks. And then I added the M.2 right there. And now I'll be showing off all the components inside it. So be right back. Okay, so obviously you could tell I kind of changed the camera position now. It's more on the right side. So I'll be staring more on the right because I'm so used to left. So it's gonna be a little bit hard getting used to it. But anyways, the main point is I'm gonna be showing you off the components and specs and how you could actually build your own PC and how to actually, modify it and later on use it and have a custom PC. It's really easy. You just need to use one site and then you could just, from there on, just get used to it. So I'll be showing you that right now. So first, I'll be actually showing you the PC specs that I have right now. So far, I have an Core i7-8700K. It's a 6-core processor. It's really good, and so far I have no issues with it. And then next, for a CPU cooler, I'm using an NZXT Kraken. It's just mostly for the looks. It just looks good. And an Asus ROG Maximus X Hero. I actually was supposed to buy an iX, which is the 9 Hero, but I decided to go for the 10. Why not? It's more easier. And I have a G.Skill Trident Z RGB. I have 2 of those, so I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. Well, actually, I just, updated it, so it's now 32 gigabytes of RAM, which is really good. And I have a Samsung Evo 1 terabyte. That's for my first local disk C. And for my local disk D, I have a Samsung SSD. I forgot the name. But the next one, which is the local disk E, I transferred it to an Intel 2 terabytes, which is good for gaming. And then for my video card, my graphics card is an Asus GeForce GTX 1080 Ti, which is really good. No problems. I could run every single game on the highest settings and run smoothly with 60 FPS or more sometimes. And then for my case, it's not the Corsair Obsidian 500D. It's actually what I want to upgrade to later on. Instead, what I do have is this Corsair Crystal 570X RGB mid-tower case. So far, the only thing I don't like about it, it catches a lot of dust, and we live in a country that's literally filled with dust. So that's the one complaint I have with it. And then for my power supply, I've been using Corsair SX Platinum 850 watt because to make sure that everything can run as perfectly as possible, no issues. It's a power supply, it's a power brick. That's the main point. And I'll be showing you the site that I usually use. It's actually called PC Part Picker. I'll leave it down in the description so y'all could later on, if you want to make your own, you could just go here, pick some parts that you see that are you like to buy, you just put it there. But some items might not be available anymore because it's either out of date or the manufacturer doesn't produce it anymore. So just go over here, PC Part Picker. What do? You go to System Builder, or you could go to Build Guides and Completed Builds. What I usually do is go in Completed Builds and check out these builds that I might like. For example, this dude, I actually kind of like how he did his thing, so I'm gonna check what is his setup. His setup is actually really good. I actually really like that, but let's see what he's rocking. Okay, he is rocking an i5, which is not bad. An i5 is pretty good, keep in mind. He has a 2027. Bro, upgrade upgrade your CPU. Anyways, yeah, so pretty much it. Next is I'm gonna show you the montage of how, you know, I fixed everything and how everything looks good now. So skip to that right now.